Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete photos backup from iCloud. So if you want to delete your backup photos on iCloud completely, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete or remove photos backup from iCloud, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, locate and click on your Apple account name. Once you click on your Apple account name, hang on for the Apple account information page to load. Once it loads, locate and click on iCloud. Here you can see you have 5 gig worth of iCloud storage, and in my own case, I have almost full. Now, to delete or remove photos backup from your iCloud account, all you need to do is go ahead and click on Photos. So if you use iOS 17 or earlier, you could see Manage Your Photos. So once you click on Photos, then under Sync This to iPhone, you want to go ahead, turn off Sync This to iPhone so that deleting your photos backup on your iCloud will not delete the photos on your iPhone. So go ahead and turn off Sync This iPhone. Then click on Manage Storage. Now, once you click on Manage Storage, hang on for your iCloud storage management page to open. Then you can see you have 150 videos securely stored in iCloud available to sync with this device. Now, to delete your photos backup from iCloud, go ahead and click on Turn Off and Delete Photos. Then spot that says Delete Photos and Videos. This will turn off iCloud photos and delete all photos and video stores in iCloud. You have 30 days to undo it. Then go ahead and click on Turn Off and Delete. Then it should say you have 30 days to undo and restore your photos and videos. Go ahead and click on Turn Off and Delete. Then hang on. This is going to delete all the photos you have stored on the iCloud as your iCloud photos backup, and you'll be given 30 days grace to come back and then restore this photo to iCloud, otherwise it will be deleted permanently. Now you can see we now have 0 storage backup. If you click on the manage storage again, you should see that you no longer have any video backed up on your iCloud. You can see we have 0.5 gigabytes used. Then to confirm that you've successfully deleted your photo backup on iCloud, go ahead and open the browser. On the browser, go to your iCloud account and make sure you log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and then the password by going to iCloud.com. Then once you logged into your iCloud account, go ahead and click on Photos. And then on the Photos page, if you have any photo backed up, then you should see the photos here. Then you should say iCloud has been disabled. You have 30 days remaining to make sure you have a complete copy of your photos and videos. Then all these photos will be deleted temporarily. And after 30 days, all the photos will be deleted. As you can see, this was recently updated a minute ago. Now, if you go back to the iPhone settings again, on the Apple accounts page, click on iCloud. Then it should say you have free storage, that is up to 5 gigabytes worth of storage. So there is no photo backup whatsoever. You see that? So that is exactly how to delete or remove photos backup from iCloud. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.